If you block the roadway, you will be arrested.
A city on edge.
And that's how you communicate to a crowd, you know?
Just remain peaceful, remain positive, remain with an open mind, and this will turn out just the way God wants it to turn out.
A weekend of tense, emotional protests after Baton Rouge's deadly police shooting.
I was actually 2-3 feet away when that happened.
We're gonna protest and we gotta be out here all night.
The worries are that we're not gonna get the information that we need to cool this situation down.
Once the roadway is clear, it will be open to traffic. Anyone stepping in the roadway will be arrested.
We have made some arrests, confiscated some guns.
We are a complete community of individuals who will carry this burden and also stand together.
I know that there are protests going on, and I'm urging everyone to remain peaceful. Another violent act or destruction of property is not the answer.
We come here with some very disturbing news that several officers are down.
Shot fire, officer down! Shot fire, officer down!
The police are out. This man is shooting at the police.
The violence, the hatred just has to stop.
If this is not a defining moment for us to bridge the divide and come out with a unified voice, then I don't know what is, Greg.
We're getting early reports that 2 officers have died in this.
At about 8:45, someone who was headed into work around Hammond Air saw a man dressed in all black with a gun strapped to him.
The flag here has been lowered to half staff outside Our Lady of the Lake on Essen Lane.
I just saw an EMS unit rolling lights and sirens about 5 minutes ago.
Cop cars coming in and out of the scene. I'm going to step out of the scene real quick here.
Going into State Police headquarters, they actually have guards posted out front, which is unusual for that area.
Innocent officers are being killed and injured for absolutely no reason.
We want and need your prayers. Baton Rouge is in need of those prayers right now, so we thank you for those, and we want you to know that we appreciate every single one of them.
I want every person in Baton Rouge to find somebody who's different, to look like you and I. I'm a 60-year-old man, you're a 40-year-old man. I'm black, you're white. Go find somebody that looks different than you, and you extend your hand and you say, my name is such and such. This is what I like. What do you like? And when you get beyond that color, you're gonna find out that we're not that far apart.
Pretty remarkable to see this many flash flood emergencies in effect.
The water just kept coming up and kept coming up.
In a matter of minutes, it's just increasing.
A declaration of a state of emergency here in Louisiana.
My house is completely flooded.
The ground and the rivers and the creeks already at historic capacity.
I never in my lifetime saw water like this.
It's just not letting up. Probably about chest deep in our living room.
This is going to be a marathon, guys. Get ready for it. Many more days of headaches, difficulties, and potentially life-threatening flooding.
People are waving and flagging us down, screaming for help.
You can see there was not much time to spare.
Don't panic. I'm here for you. I'm going to get you out these waters.
Couldn't do it from the boat, so I just jumped in.
Lots of people. We're trying to get them out all morning.
If you look behind me a ways, this is Airline Highway.
Her road's a river now. Highway 431 and 931 are just behind me.
Nobody's prepared for 90% of their homes to be flooded.
At a loss of words right now. I mean, you're really about to lose everything.
You've been on the law enforcement side, you're running the town now, you grew up here. This can't be easy to watch.
It's not. It's in God's hands. We'll just do what He tells us.
I don't want people around the world to forget that we need their attention, their love, their support, their help.
When the flood happened and we were contacted to come out and play some music and help raise some funds, it was a no-brainer. This is where we started, and our roots are here.
My way of helping out was through my talent, and I wanted to be here and be part of this to help the flood victims of Louisiana.
Here's how you can help. A specific fund is set up through the American Red Cross tonight.
Over almost 1 million meals and snacks. We have 66,000 shelter stays that we've provided, just there for the people that are in need.
We can join together and make things better. And that's what we're trying to do.
Through so much loss, it's always a really nice thing to kind of give it all. Give something of yours back, as much as you can.
Tonight means a night of giving back to Louisiana, giving back to the folks that supported us through the years and a lot of the musicians here.
Louisiana stays strong always.
We've given the world so much. I think the world needs Louisiana.
Louisiana's rising. We will come back.
We're going to come back better than ever.